Hello, and how are you doing? You're looking at the insides of a Panasonic KX W60TH Thermal Typewriter. Recently I had a failure. The tab key wasn't working too well, and I bought a second unit, which is the one you're looking at, to cannibalize it. It was this connector right here. So you can see there's some damage to them. So what I did is I bought this one here for parts to cannibalize to fix this one here. And what I found on this one, which I bought, the 7 and 9, a couple of these keys were not working this way. So I found out that the conductor in here, the little ribbon, was also damaged. So I was able to piece together 3 of these to make it work. These 2 sides, I discarded one of these, cut the ribbon in half, and put them in a configuration like this, where they're parallel. And I was able to counteract the damage on one side right here with the damage on the other side. But that was not a perfect solution. I found that I was having some glitches. So I found a supplier that sells this type of connector here, which is 15 pins. And I was able to cut this one down to 14, and then over here, cut this down to 8. So it's working. I can turn this on, and as you can see, all the keys are working. So that's really cool. So that's it. I had to fold it. The next thing I'll do is get this thing back in here, the keyboard, and then patch it all back up, and I'll have a working typewriter, and then as a bonus, I'll have another one. So thanks for watching.